Hello, driving intelligence community. If you have a 1984 through 86 Mustang SVO and you want to improve the handling by adding a caster camber plate, this video is for you. You're going to benefit from another one of my mistakes that I made on this car when I was young and had just purchased it. I bought this Hotchkiss caster camber plate and installed it, and you'll notice how tall that caster camber plate is. When your Koni shock that has the adjustable element here penetrates through this Hotchkiss caster camber plate, it actually touches the hood of the car. That's why I'm changing over to a different caster camber plate that has a more reduced height. It's going to make it much easier for me to get the hood closed. So make sure you check the height of your caster camber plate. These are obviously pretty good quality as aluminum, but the problem is it just doesn't work on an SVO Mustang with the original Koni adjustable shocks. Could work on your car if you're not using original shocks, but I'm keeping my Konis so I can keep this car as close to original as possible.